All right, we're looking at the pool accessibility lift. This makes it easy for people with disabilities to access the facilities and take a swim. It's relatively simple to use. There's clear, concise instructions with pictures on a sticker on the back of the device here. Anyone can approach this and use it. Before use, the battery pack needs to be plugged in. The first step is removing this protective cover. The protective cover guards it against splashing and water. The battery pack itself is the top portion. This lower portion actually has some emergency controls. For whatever reason, if the remote's not working, these emergency controls allow you to control the lift. When you need to charge the battery, as you can see here, we do. Our battery indicator is showing low power. We simply unplug the battery pack, grab the latch on the top and squeeze it, and it comes disconnected, or we can take it to our charger and charge it for at least 4 hours. After charging, we simply bring it back to the lift, align the battery with the latch, and you'll feel it click into place. Then reconnect the battery, and of course, reinstall the protective cover to prevent splash damage. Now the lift is ready to operate. So one feature of the handicap lift is the remote control. It can be utilized by the person in the lift, but more typically it'll be used by somebody assisting the person in the lift from the deck. There's 4 buttons on the control: up, down, rotate left, and rotate right. To utilize the lift, once the person's in the chair with the safety belt on, you simply rotate out over the pool. And once you are perpendicular to the pool deck, then you'll hold the down arrow until you're submerged in the water, and you can exit the chair and enjoy a swim. Once you're done swimming, with the chair lowered down into the water again, you climb into the chair and hold the up button until the chair's all the way up, and then rotate left again until the chair is out over the pool deck and you're out of the pool safely and securely.